welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new wig to share with you, and it's from my favorite brand, LuvMe hair. Now, I absolutely love their units. They always have the best fit, the best hair, okay? Love the brand. I have never had a bad experience yet with this company. Now, some of you have reached out complaining about the hair color. Now, let me state this. I have never reviewed a jet black unit from this company. They always come in like a natural brown, dark, almost black, but I guess that just depends upon the lighting. They may come off as jet black, but I've never had a jet black one from the brand. Now, and of course, this is how they come. Beautifully packaged. It's always the packaging for me. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Quick look at everything that came inside. We got a branded rat tooth comb, baby hair comb brush combo, and a nice little clippy clip to help with installation. All right, and then we have our unit. She is a glueless, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. She's out of the box, ready to go. Now, I'm going to explain exactly what that means as I put this unit on for you. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, take out her stuffing and all her packaging. But yeah, as you saw, she's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-styled. You have ample parting space here, so if you don't want the side swept part, you can change it if you'd like. But I love these caps. They're super comfortable, super stretchy. You do have the little band here in the back. I love this. And then you do have the thick adjustable removable band inside. I love both of these, especially with my glueless unit. And this adjustable strap here is a total game changer. Love this from LuvMe hair. This is absolutely the best. Now, I know that this comes off as black, but it is indeed brown. A beautiful dark brown color. It's giving natural black, if that makes sense. This is more like a number 4 1B combination style look. And I love that. These are my favorites. These are my favorites. I love dark hair. But I don't necessarily like jet black. I've never worn jet black hair. But this is beautiful. It does have some layers. Now, with these pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached units, you do have to do a little finessing with that lace. Even though, you know, a lot of the companies say that it's undetectable, you do need to go in with your lace tinting spray or your makeup to make it blend. You do have to put in a little work. Don't think that your wig is just going to come ready to go. You can't just really, you can, let me say that, you can put it on and go. But, you know, to make it look like the girlies on YouTube and Instagram, you have to go in with the spray, with the makeup to make it lay and slay, okay? Those are things that you just have to do. That's a must. Though it does help that it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and all of that good stuff. That's a big help. It really is. But you got to help yourself out with the wig. You got to put in a little work to make it look good. You do. You definitely have to help yourself with it. Now look at that. OMGG. That does look pretty good though right out the pack. It does. That looks really good. OMGG. We didn't do anything to it. We didn't, and it looks absolutely great. But I am going to go in with, ooh, and I love this hair texture. It's giving Yaki, and I love a good Yaki unit. OMGG. This is gorgeous. New favorite unit? I think so. I think so. Because I love a good Yaki. And she is giving. Okay. So yeah, with that lace, I'm just going to take my foundation brush and just sweep over it. And it's going to look even better. I'm going to bring it back a little bit. There we go. And I don't use a lot of product in my units. I feel like when you start using a whole bunch of product, it makes your wig look crispy and crunchy, and I don't know. I tend to use as little product as possible. If I have a few flyaways, I'll use a little mousse or setting lotion just to smooth them out. But she is gorgeous. OMGG, look at this. I'm going to give this about 22 to 24 inches. And like I said, it is a layered unit from the side. All right. From the back. It is gorgeous. Yes. I love this hair. So, girl, let me go and finesse my lace. And it doesn't need much. It really doesn't this time. Look at that. OMGG. I am in love. I'll be right back. Glueless units are my favorite. And this, girl, glueless and Yaki. Chef's kiss, my perfect unit, my favorite unit right now. Love. Alright guys, that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's wig review. I really enjoyed bringing this one to you because I love Yaki textured units. They just mimic black girl hair so well. Absolute favorite. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. And make sure you check out that description box to get yourself hooked up with LuvMe hair units. I also have a few other units that I've shared from the brand here on my channel. And like I said, I have shared quite a few top-notch hair quality, top-notch brand. And like I said, if you're challenged as it pertains to styling your unit and getting your lace perfect, you might want to swing by a salon and just take it in there and get your wig totally customized, okay? But they're so easy to wear, girl. Right out of the pack, you saw it. You saw how this lace laid. Perfect unit. But also, you need a little makeup to make it look perfect. You're going to have to do a little finessing, okay? That's with all units, okay? Love, love, love. She's gorgeous.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know.